We're going to show you how to use Desmos to create the equation of a line of best fit. So here we have a scatter plot of data we've been using. The x-axis represents study minutes. The y-axis represents a predicted test score or a test score. And our line of best fit, we've been estimating it to look something like that. But can we get it to be exact? Sure we can. So I will click on a new cell, and I notice my data is x sub 1 and y sub 1. So I do y, and then I type in a 1. Desmos knows to make it a subscript. Now I use the little squiggle in the upper left-hand corner. I have to go shift, and I get that squiggle, which means it's not an equal sign, but it's close to it. And then m x1, there's some action happening, plus b. So I've done y equals mx plus b, but I've done it with a squiggle and a y1 or a y sub 1 and an x sub 1. Well, look what happens when I do it. I get the exact computed line of best fit. This is the absolute best path rather than my predicted path from those earlier videos. I get a correlation coefficient, r. We found other ways to do that, but there it is. It's positive, which means the trend is positive. It's pretty close to 1, which means it's a pretty strong correlation. The trend was clear. But then if I look down below, I get an m for my slope. That m will go right there, and that b is my y-intercept. So my equation is y equals 0.405x plus 59.3. That's the literal equation of that line of best fit. If I were to type that in, I would get that red line, but Desmos has already done that for me. So remember, I can only do this after I create the table of data.